In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add events on a WordPress website step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This method is simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect if you want to create event listings, trips, or bookings that look professional and are easy for visitors to understand. We'll be using a popular WordPress plugin that makes event and trip creation much easier without touching any code. If you run a business, host events, or manage a travel or booking website, this tutorial will save you a lot of time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. You can do this by going to your website URL and adding /wp-admin at the end, then signing in with your username and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, this is where you control everything on your WordPress website, including pages, posts, plugins, and events. From here, we're going to set up the system that allows us to add events properly. Next, go through the WP Travel Engine onboarding process. If you've already installed the WP Travel Engine plugin, you'll see an onboarding or setup option in your dashboard. Click on it and follow the guided steps. This onboarding process helps you configure the basic settings for trips and events, such as currency, layout, and general preferences. Take your time here and make sure everything matches your website's needs. This step is important because it ensures your events display correctly on the front end of your site. After completing the onboarding, the next step is to create your first event or trip. Click on the option that says Create Your Trip. WP Travel Engine provides ready-made templates that you can use to make your event pages look clean and professional without any design experience. Choose a template that fits your brand or event type. Inside the editor, you can add your event title, description, images, dates, pricing, and any other important details your visitors need to know. Make sure your content is clear and informative, so users understand exactly what the event is about. Once you've finished customizing your event or trip, review everything carefully. Check the title, images, descriptions, and settings one last time to make sure there are no mistakes. When you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click the Publish button. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to add events on a WordPress website. Your event is now live and visible to visitors on your site. Before you go, don't forget to preview your event page on the front end to make sure it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.